Paramshanti. Welcome to this beautiful journey of inner awakening. Today we dive into the spiritual power of Paramshanti, the supreme peace. Not just peace, but that divine stillness where the soul finds its true home. Paramshanti means peace that is beyond the mind, peace that exists without conditions, peace that comes from the soul, not from the world. When you say the word Param Shanti, you're calling upon your highest consciousness, the seat of love, clarity, and bliss. In daily life, we often identify with our body, job, emotions, and roles. But Param Shanti reminds us you are the eternal soul. You are pure peace. This shifts our awareness inward, leading to self realization. When we chant or affirm Param Shanti, it removes stress, anger, ego, fears from the past. This chanting vibrates at a high frequency that purifies the mind and aura. Supreme peace brings more forgiveness, more understanding, more kindness. When the heart is peaceful, love flows naturally towards all beings. Param Shanti creates an energetic field around you. It protects your mind from overthinking, emotional turbulence, outer toxic influences. You become spiritually grounded and unshakable. When the mind is silent, the soul heals. Problems start looking smaller. Worries loosen their grip. The body relaxes. Sleep improves. And spiritual confidence rises. The soul whispers, "You are safe. You are supported." Param Shanti awakens the third eye consciousness. You start recognizing right decisions, right direction, right relationships. You stop chasing life and start attracting what is meant for you. Sit quietly for 5 minutes. Place your hand on your heart. Breathe slowly. Repeat softly. Param Shanti. Param Shanti. Param Shanti. Param Shanti. Feel the peace expanding from your heart to your mind to the whole universe. Param Shanti is not a concept. Param Shanti is a state of being. When you live in Param Shanti, your life transforms into a message of peace for others. So today, choose peace, become peace, spread peace. Param Shanti. Param Shanti. Param Shanti. Param Shanti.
बेहद की परम